It's almost 7 o'clock on September 3rd. The hurricane's supposed to be coming. There's no hurricane yet. We've only had a half an inch of water fall out of the sky in my rain gauge. Just a half an inch. And the wind is barely making the wind chimes twinkle. I'm not sure. I think this hurricane's a dud.